going on, guys? This is Elijah, my Super Ale hoodie, and my tuner crate, and you're watching I see a sky with a rainy car, but I'm not running.
Shit, the other car's not here. Shit, I forgot to pick up Sylvie. She's at the airport. Shit, I'm a bad uncle. I'm a literally bad uncle. Oh my god. Shit. Don't tell her. She doesn't watch my channel anyway, so she's not gonna know. This is very bad. Very bad. Okay, hopefully take a long time to taxi. Can't believe I forgot all about her. I was busy editing, and remember on my IG story I was telling you guys that I'm rushing to edit 2 videos before tomorrow because I need to stack up the videos because I'm really busy tomorrow for Aaliyah's dedication. So I'm editing, all of a sudden she goes, Uncle Mike, I landed. I'm like, fuck! Yeah, like you landed like here in LA? Fuck! If you guys snitch on me, you guys know what snitches get. They get stitches. You know where they end up. They end up in ditches. So y'all better not say shit. For real. So when she gets here and she's sitting next to me, we're gonna both agree that there was traffic. Nothing I could do about it. Got it? Okay.
Following.
See, look who's here. See? We made it just on time. We weren't late.
We're gonna be late? Oh,
no, we weren't. No, I left on time and everything.
Oh, nice. Just a little bit. Almost on time.
They spilled soda on her.
Yeah, a lot of Coca-Cola.
Diversion. Vlog intro to yourself.
God. Okay, so.
It's on. Drunk ass.
Alright, so.
Drunk ass.
I came from Sacramento. A few days ago, I was in Alaska. So I'm like jet lagged. Oh.
What's up?
See? Okay.
That's how we drive.
And now I'm in SoCal with Uncle Mike, and he is deciding what we're going to eat, right?
You're supposed to decide.
We don't know what to eat, so tell them, drop in the comments what's good places to eat.
By the time they drop in the comments, you're dead. Because there's no food.
Yeah, that's true. I'm actually starving. My insides are eating itself, and I literally feel my soul leaving my body as we speak. How do you turn this off? Wait, do you do this and it turns off?
Yeah, there you go.
It's not off. It's not off.
And here we are. We end up getting Taco Bell.
5-star life.
5-star life.
Gourmet. These are.
Hey, do that thing that girl wanted you to do. Eat it.
Oh.
Apparently there's this YouTube channel that they eat on camera and they listen to the sounds of eating.
All 9,000 taste buds.
Tacos. You guys, Taco Bell fire sauce. How's dinner?
It was a 10.
Come to SoCal, your uncle takes you out. Taco Bell.
5-star.
5-star.
We're all a little bit.
You guys gotta understand something about the Wynn family. We just eat a lot.
Like I know, I just ate and I'm like, yeah.
Now there's fried chicken. Fried chicken with the Wynn clan. Mom, niece, nephew, sister. Sister. Good night. Bye.
Oh.
Have a good night, guys.
Peace out.
Hi, love. I miss you.
Did you see it? Say bye-bye. Take this.
I've been getting this one weird singular comment, this type of comment on my Snapchat and my IG through DMs and stories is, Mike, you're actually fairly normal. Now I bring this up because I think there's a huge misconception of who I am. I think a lot of people believe that I'm stupid rich and I just do fun shit all day, including my neighbors. On my Snapchat and my IG stories, I show a lot of my normal life that's pretty much different from my YouTube life. YouTube is more of like, hey guys, this is kind of my curated day of like video, music, stuff I'm doing, but it's interesting. So for my YouTube guys, let me show you my normal day, what it really looks like that's not car related. You guys ready for this? Woo, let's go. Point of this is to show you guys that I'm a normal person. I definitely don't live in a mansion. I don't live with other YouTubers. My house is a house which is lived in that has a 1-year-old that has a very busy family. It's not made for YouTube. It's not pristine and clean. The vibes ain't the shit. It's living. But my backyard is fucking nice. Check that out. Kind of dirty. So this morning, I'm actually gonna clean it up because I have my parents coming. In one day, I will switch like 3 different cars because every car I have like very different purpose. Right now, I'm in the big old truck going over to the escape room. Guys, we are only 1 door away from literally being ready to completely test the game and open to the public. I am so excited. Like, I haven't been excited about a project because in a very long time, because project is so physical in nature of how we built it, and creatively it required us to actually create a big piece of object, not designs anymore. It's a big ass project, something that I don't know anything about. Okay, we are at our escape room. It's so close to being done. Oh my god. Escape room update. Guys, done as in we are, I'm bleeding. We can actually open to public. This space is front here, kind of messy, but it's supposed to be. It's part of the game, part of the storyline. Inside, we just have to sweep up and we're good to go. Everything's been tested, and what I want to do is run like a dozen tests through with no failures that I'm confident to open up to you guys. Can't wait. Aaliyah is in a very pretty dress. Girls can drift in dresses too, right, Aaliyah? Dude, I ride as hard as I would by myself when they're on here. I know, baby. You guys like that? Do you like that? Was that fun? No comment? Hi, baby. We're gonna go see grandma. You're gonna see my mom. You gotta change your diaper. Hi, guys. We're in the city of Rancho Cucamonga. Weird name, right? We're gonna have my parents, my mom and my sister just arrived. So we are gonna have some lunch with them. Hi.
Want to see my yellow teeth?
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Come on.
Hi.
Cái này nè, nội dụ con được nè. Người ta hôn nè. Hôn nè.
She's like, no, I don't care about that.
Chúc mừng con á, chúc mừng con mau lớn nè.
No.
Tới nội ẩm nha. Tới nội ẩm nha, nội hôn kìa.
You guys have a Jeep?
Yeah, she's here.
Ew.
We didn't want a Jeep.
Ew, a Jeep?
I'll pocket it. Forever. He tells you he'll hold it for you, but he's going towards his cigarettes.
Papa needs a Rolex. Did you find money?
Put it in here like this.
She doesn't know concept of money yet.
Yeah.
What is that?
Only one and
Some parents actually like, oh, give them money so they can like it.
really?
Yeah, well, she's like, what is this, paper?
She's looking at it. You want the
Okay, you guys don't know my sister. Oh, she's been on videos, but she's hella extra. There's supposedly this straw ban coming up in California. So what does she do?
went to Costco and bought a box that has 10,000 of it.
10,000 straws. She's a hoarder. Just to let you guys know. So the plan is black market. Black market. That's why she's hoarding the straws. Yeah, it's a duck. Hella bougie. Oh yeah.
Don't you want it now?
Well, Tom's allergic, so he can't do it. My mom's currently complaining about when I was a kid. I was a very picky eater. But Aaliyah's not a picky eater. And apparently, up until I was like 8 years old or 12 years old, they would have to spoon feed me till. They're gonna tell the story.
I need a red one.
No, no red.
All right, the white one that matches this one.
Yo, our escape room signs are up on the street.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What up, asshole?
You're an asshole.
He wants you to send nudes.
Say hi to the vlog, Omar.
Hello, everybody.
Hello,
Like
awkward.
my hand.
Dude, you're awkward even on the phone for a vlog. You freaking suck.
I'm telling you, dude, the minute that camera goes out, it's so awkward.
Hey, so I just took my mom to, hi mom. I just took my mom to the escape room, through my escape room just to tour her, and she said it was scary. And my sister's gonna do probably,
Yeah, Yeah.
And she's never done one, but she's a scaredy cat. So this should be good. What do you think, baby? You're good? My sister's trying to explain to my mom in Vietnamese what hustle and grind means, and I can't do it.
I have to Google translate this.
Ăn cắp 1 triệu đồng của nó.
My sister is fluent in Vietnamese, but the word hustle and grind is not like translatable. And trying to explain to my mom why the knives are there was very difficult. So my sister trying to explain it, and it makes no sense. Mom was like, "Why do you have chef knives?" My mom's this like little 5'1"
Đẹp quá, bự quá.
lady. It's like, this is a very nice car. It's very big.
Yeah.
She's so small.